Kia ora, I'm Kate from Out of Office. I'm a Kajabi expert, specialist and partner. And today I'm going to show you around the Kajabi platform in 2024, the most updated version, and show you all the functionality of what Kajabi can do. If you're considering Kajabi as the all-in-one platform for your online digital business, then make sure you check it all out and check out the special promotion that I'm going to offer you too. So I've just logged into my Kajabi site now. This is my practice test site, so you'll see it says old site up the top here. If you have multiple Kajabi sites, which you can, then you'll have a drop down and you can open up all your sites. Overall, the dashboards all look the same. So when you first log in, I'll make myself smaller here, you will get a dashboard like the one that you see here with some statistics, some updates about your opt-in, sales, comments, and all the new contacts that you have. Also, you have all of the Kajabi support options down here as well, including an amazing community group in Facebook, the Kajabi University, which has a multitude of videos, generic videos that will help you through your Kajabi site, and Kajabi Experts platform, where you'll find me and a whole load of other vetted experts that can help you with your specific Kajabi-based projects. So let's get started on this left-hand side menu. Kajabi as an all-in-one platform offers online digital product hosting. So this can include, from here, the products, courses, online coaching, a community, and podcasts. All of this counts towards your product count, depending on the plan that you're in Kajabi. So let's have a look. To start off with, courses. When we go in here, you get the prompt to get started. Within each of these products, the courses, community, coaching, podcasts, you have the option to upload templates, add your own templates, use the Kajabi templates, and then just customize and add your own brand, images, copy into it so that it is completely yours. So these are all the products that you can have. I won't go into each of them on this video. Within sales, this is where you can set up your payments. So you can connect your Kajabi account with your Stripe account, with your PayPal account, and now just recently added is the Kajabi payments functionality, which is where you can handle everything directly within your Kajabi account, and you can offer Afterpay, Google Pay, Klarna, Apple Pay, lots of different options there for your customers to be able to pay you for your online digital products. Again, it's all prompted for setup. It'll take you through step by step, and the payments is a payments dashboard, this one here. As I said, this is my test site, my old site, so I haven't got my payments connected here. Otherwise, this would show some stats and analytics about my recent payments that have gone through my site. Offers is where you can set up your checkouts and payment processes, so you can have the back-end settings with automations, set the pricing, add some coupons, and then the front-end checkout for your customers to complete with their credit card details and go through to your digital products. Coupons, as I mentioned, is where you can set up coupons to add discounts, or if you want to use affiliates in your business, then you can set this up here as well. Affiliates can be used just simply to track who is sharing your products and who's buying through them, and or you can offer discounts to affiliates and their customers as well via the coupons and affiliates together. Next up, we'll look at the website. So in order to be able to promote, add value, and sell your online digital products, you're going to want a website. If you already have a website elsewhere and you don't want to move that just yet, that's cool too. You don't have to use all of the functionality of Kajabi. Eventually, you may wish to move it all over so you have everything in one place and you're not paying an additional website hosting fee elsewhere. Okay, so on your website, you have the option to choose a theme, upload your own theme, or use a Kajabi theme. You have standard system website pages, things like the login page, the library page, which is where people can see the products that they've purchased from you. And then you can create your own landing pages, which can be used for a lot of different things like opt-ins, for your lead magnets, for people to complete forms for you, to sell your online courses and give more information, to answer questions, all sorts of things like that you can use landing pages for. The navigation is where you can customize your page menus and your footer menus, or menus to use wherever you wish to navigate people around your site. And of course, there's a blog functionality in Kajabi too. Again, I haven't used this on my test site yet, but as you can see, everything is very user-friendly to step you through it. The branded app is a new functionality on Kajabi. This gives you the opportunity to have your own white-labeled app for your business. It is an additional fee, as you'll see here. Here goes all the information and the demonstration video, which you'll be able to access as well and have a look at and decide if that's for you. With the branded app, it means that you have full customization and branding as per your product. Up until now, customers have either been able to access you via their browsers, your company, your online courses, things like that, or use the Kajabi branded app to access their courses and or community. So this now gives you the option to have a fully customized branded app based on your company. And here goes the details here. These are additional costs on top of your Kajabi fees if you wish to have this. Within marketing, we get to have a look at the overview. So this is everything that you can use to promote, to share information, to update people, to keep your course people updated or your community updated. You can send emails, both newsletter form or triggered automated email sequences. You can set up funnels. So this is bringing people down through your sales system or up selling to them as well. A little bit slow here. Again, step-by-step process to set up your funnels from opt-in page through to payment processes through to email marketing. It can all be automated, all directly here in Kajabi, just with clicks of buttons and selections. You can set up lots and lots of automations in Kajabi depending on the plan that you're on. The basic plan, which is what I'm on, has a whole lot of automations that I'm able to do. However, if you upgrade to the higher plans, you're able to do more customized and conditional automations. You can manage your events in Kajabi, so whether this be online events or in-person events, you can add countdown timers and registration lists for the back-end administration of your event and send automatic notification emails to remind people of your event too. Forms, of course, you can set up forms to ask people questions, to get people to sign up for your newsletter, to opt into a wait list, all sorts of things like that. You can customize your forms with as many custom form fields for all the information that you want to gather from your customers. Your contact list. So this is like your database. These are the people that come through the system, through your Kajabi system via forms or from purchasing from you. You can also, of course, upload your own existing contact list. And these are the people that, if they are subscribed to your email marketing, you can then market to. You can filter your contacts based on a whole load of options as to what they may have done within your Kajabi account, filled in a form, what kind of email activity they've had, what kind of offers they have access to, what kind of tags you might have added to them, all sorts there that you can pick and choose to segment your audience to contact or make offers to. Insights, of course, is to do with the interaction of your customers and your contacts on your site. There won't be a whole lot here being my test site. Let's have a look. There we go. But it's just an analytical overview of how people are interacting with your content. And assessments. Assessments similar to quizzes or surveys. They can be used within an email, within a course, externally, within a landing page, wherever you want to have them. There's also the opportunity to host quizzes within your online courses as well. Analytics. Again, won't be a whole lot of information here, but this is where you can find a whole lot of analytics about your site, about your Kajabi site, how people are payment processing, how people are opting in, who's looking at what pages, what kind of progress people are making through your online courses, and the sales that you're making as well as your affiliates. Creator Studio is a really awesome new tool in Kajabi to help creators create content and repurpose content, more importantly. So you can upload any videos, your own and or with permission other people's videos. And in here you'll see I've got a couple and I've been able to, create some subtitles from this video. So automatically I created some subtitles. And also, these are all the other things that I can do with this video. I can create a smaller video clip based on some highlights of the video, which the AI tool either chooses or you can select for yourself. I can create some transcripts, some text for some posts, some emails based on what the content of the video is. So whether it's a sales email or telling people about a new course that I have, I can create a blog from this video that I've uploaded. I can make some community announcements or discussion questions based on the topic of the video, create some summary videos, and also some information for my course or my website as well, all from this one video that I've uploaded here. You can create up to 40 pieces of content from one video in Creator Studio. So that's a really exciting new tool that's available to everybody on all Kajabi plans. From here, we have the expert services and the custom templates. These are like a Kajabi store of sorts. So as I said, you can come in here and find experts that are experts in specific different things within Kajabi or within your online digital business, and you can hire them to help you on your site. And the custom templates are very cool designers that create custom templates for website pages, landing pages, and online course and communities that can be integrated into your Kajabi site. And that is external designers, external to Kajabi, but you can buy it all in here. The other thing on this dashboard is your settings, and I have some separate videos in my online accelerator vault that will help you to set everything up correctly in your Kajabi right from the start, so your foundations are correct and you won't come up against any issues as you're creating your actual products. So here goes all the different site settings that I take you through in my videos, in my accelerator vault, which you can get 7 days free access to via the link here. These are all your account settings. From here, this is my specific profile settings and account settings, my billing settings, things like that. I can go straight through to Kajabi Experts or the university, which is where there's a whole lot of help videos as well. And of course, I can contact support via email and a robotic agent. And I also just finally want to show you this tool here. So if I hit this, you may be familiar with this now. It's kind of like an AI icon now across a lot of different websites on the internet. This Kajabi one is called AMA or AMA, and she is trained in all things Kajabi. So I can ask her things about Kajabi and or about digital online businesses, and she's fairly good at answering. So let's ask her a question. There we go. It's given us the Help Center link where you can find lots of more information about it. It's a great place to start. Cool. And then I think this here may be this is the bot support. So the agent starts as a robot support as I'm building my site. If I need to ask anything, that's a separate thing. And then you can go on to an agent and speak to an actual person as well. So that's just the history of the recent conversations that I've had. That's just always floating around here, so I can grab it anytime. So that is an overview of all the things that Kajabi can do. I hope that has helped you. If you are looking to get started on Kajabi, keep a lookout for an exclusive special promotion below this video and also access to my out-of-office accelerator vault that will help you really accelerate your business, get set up the right way on Kajabi, and then be able to focus on serving your clients, which is what you came to do. Thanks for watching.